Guys, what's up? How's everybody doing? It's Mark. Check this out. Behind me, I got a little story behind this truck, all right? Hope you like the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the notification button, because we got tons of stuff that comes on here. Do crazy stuff every once in a while, and I give you tips and tricks on what to do when you're lifting your truck, modifying in any way, putting wheels and tires on, or you can get a glimpse of what I've already built or done or bought based on the setup we have behind me and ones like such. So, welcome again if you're new. If not, subscribe and hit the notification button like that. Hit it, just hit it. So without further ado, guys, check it out. This, my friends, is a 2005 Silverado 1500. Oh, remember that video about 3 or 4 or 5 videos before? I said I was gonna redo it because it started raining out and it was getting really dark. Yeah, this is the continuation of that video. So guys, check it out. This is a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Z71. Super cool ass truck. Really beast truck. It's got a custom paint flame job. Don't be discouraged by that, because you can always tape over or re-graphic the paint job that's on it with lightning bolts or flames, or repaint the whole truck. Who knows? But this is actual paint, guys. This is actual paint. Maybe back in the 70s, somebody thought this was cool, and they transported back this 2005 Silverado 1500 into time, and they gave it the paint job, and then they busted it back right on in 2005 when they first bought it. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's cool, and it still is cool. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Use your own judgment on that. I think it fits the truck. It's suitable. Who cares? Looks really tight. I'm going to give you a little background shot while I walk around it. You can get a glimpse of what's going on. This truck was owned for many years by a very good friend of mine, Charlie Boy, and he lived in. This is a Southern truck, by the way. Okay, this is a Southern truck. No really compromising rust. It does have your typical rot, from being in Virginia. I've driven it throughout the years. And the cab corners, right there, and the rocker panels, right there on both sides. Now, the thing is that this truck was stolen 4 or 5 years ago, I want to say. He was in his at his beach house in Myrtle Beach, where he lived there, and he woke up one day and it was gone. So, long story short about the truck, it was recovered a few weeks after, I want to say, in the same condition, just like you see it right here, right now. But it was stolen. Went through the insurance company labeled it rebuilt. So the rebuilt title because it was theft. It was a theft recovery vehicle. I'm going to say that again. It's a theft recovery vehicle. Just putting that out there. There's nothing wrong with the truck as far as drivability, nothing that's bad with the transmission, motor, none of that. I wouldn't be driving it if it was. I wouldn't spend my own money on any truck, including this one, and jeopardize my investment to sell it. So with that said, the same reason why I get the trucks in, I put the time, the effort, and the money into them, is because I buy them right to put the money in them to sell them right, if that makes sense to you guys. So with that, like I said, with that said, this truck has, here's the list of stuff that's new on it. We got a new wheel bearing on the passenger side. It's got new CV axles on both sides, okay? It had a valve cover leak in the valve cover gasket, so I put new valve cover gaskets on it. A new inspection, oil change, did a transmission flush, new Micky Thompson wheels all the way around. It has a RCD suspension lift kit on it, and a 2-inch cowl induction raised hood. It's got a Pioneer Bluetooth radio. We'll go later on that in a minute. Really nice looking hood, and it's I think it's a fiberglass. So it's believe it or not, a lot of your fiberglass hoods are horribly fitting, but this one, the body lines are fairly nice. It's not too bad. They line up very well. It's got a billet grill in here, aluminum Chevy bow tie. Like I said, the body lines are very nice. I like it. All induction raised hood. Really cool billet antenna. Truck's got a lot of character to it. We had to do a lot of trim. I'm gonna say that right now. This truck is sporting. Let me show you guys this. Check this out. You get a better glimpse of back here because there's more area to see it. Look at this, okay? Ready for this, guys? This is a 35 14 50 15-inch tire. And these are the Nitto, one of my favorite tires. These are the Nitto MUD GRAPPLER Extreme Terrains. Awesome tire, guys. You're gonna get a lot of road noise with these tires. I'm not gonna lie. On the highway, it sounds like a pack of horses and bumblebees all having sex with each other, rumbling down the highway at 100 miles an hour. Whoa. It's crazy. But that's the reason why these tires are so aggressive looking, is because in every animal footprint with the claw. I love how they incorporate the design of the actual claw of the animal claw into it. And the cool part that most people don't know about this, about the MUD grapplers, which is one of my favorite, you have your choice when you get them installed to flip them one way or flip them the other way. And when you flip them one way, it reveals an animal print on this side. I'm gonna show you. Let's see if you can see this. Ready? So, right there. See it? Same side of the tire, same tire. You can see right here, it's got like the animal print, like skin around the tire, which is cool. So you can choose to put it that way. On one side it shows it, on the other side it doesn't show it. Whoever installed these tires liked it clean on this side, or my guy, when we threw them on there, whatever, who cares? So I think it looks more flush and clean without the animal print, but some people like that. It's a cool option you can choose on a tire, which most wheels they have now. You can interchange your like colors on the wheel, or you can unbolt like this and put your different patterns in and whatnot. That's what I love the MUD grapplers, because they give you that option of like, you know, what kind of tire setup do you want. It's really cool. So I like the tire. It's a really aggressive tire. It's got the cool claws here again right there on both sides. I love it. Back on with the truck. Like I said, it's a cat eye Silverado, super nice 1500. It's the Z71. I installed this afternoon, actually. Stupid. Guys, do me a favor. Lube up your joints in your damn tailgate. This side, that side, the hinges, everything. Because they're horribly pain in the ass to get them undone when you don't lube them up and treat them properly. Maintenance. Like I said, rust in your cab corner. Or no, actually, not cab corners. Just your rocker panels right there. Open the door. You guys can see on both sides. Okay. Now the frame, look. The frame is not, it's been undercoated, but it's not like compromising rust where you see like the bed reels rotting out and nothing like that. So, and the bed itself is really clean for what it is. Never been used. The roof's in good shape. Here's the cab corner this side. I'll show you. Right there. This is starting to get worse. But, you know, they sell kits on online, and you can get the kits that they send you the sheet metal for the rocker panels. You have a good body guy cut them out right at the body line right there, reseam it, tack weld it, grind it down, and paint it. And it'll look brand new. Only one way to get rid of rust, guys, and that's cutting that out. You cannot patch rust or bond over rust. It just grows right back, comes right back. It's a cancer. Here's the back seat while I'm in here anyways. Headliner's in good shape, no sunroof. Your amp wires, stuff like that right here. Amp has been taken out, so there's your wires right there. Inside of the truck, mats are in great shape, underside's in great shape, really clean. The truck has a neutral smell to it. Never been smoked inside, never been abused inside. Dash is a little bit of peel, but you can get those painted. There's interior guys that come around and paint them 30, 40, 50 bucks. You can get all that nice and new again. There's your head unit, dual climate control right there. All the controls on the steering wheel. This truck has 164,000 miles on it. And I want to say we're going to be asking around, I'd say under 12 grand if I can price point it right now. But like I said, look at the lift kit. It's really clean underneath the frames. Nothing crazy right there. There it is. Okay, right there. This is a torsion bar truck, guys. Torsion bar. You get a little bit of dampness underneath in the oil pan right there. Being honest, drive shafts in good shape. It's got a Flowmaster dual chamber muffler, so it does sound really nice. It's got Bilstein shocks. All right. This right here is actually an old air tank for a train horn that used to be on it. So that's what that is right there if you're wondering. Your Bilstein shocks right there, front to back Bilstein shocks. There's the underside right there, guys, okay? There's your new CV axles on both sides. I'll show you. New, what do you call it? Sway bar end links and bolts. There's your drop bracket for your lift kit right there. That's what it is, guys. This is called, if you guys wonder, I remember somebody asked me a question. They said, what's that? This right here, guys, this is your factory portion of your lower part from where your frame drops down into your subframe right here, which your drop bracket for your lift kit. This is a component of your lift kit that makes this truck lifted. So that's what you guys are wondering. And then obviously there's a little bit more to it than that, but just giving you guys knowledge. And as far as what I know, this is your new whole bunch of new components in there, guys. Axle CV joints, upper and lower tie rod, bushings and bolts. This video is getting long, so I gotta cut it short. So let's go here. Oh, with the torsion bars, like I was explaining, guys, this is a torsion bar right here. So this right here is a torsion bar. All right. When you crank your keys, that little bolt right there is the bolt that hires and lowers the key, which is right there, to move this torsion bar higher and lower, which would in return move your lower control arm up or down to give you maybe 1 or 2 inches more of clearance. With this truck, we had to do some modifications because the tires are so damn big, back to what I was saying. And these are a 15 by, God, 12, 15 by 10, 15 by 12, I don't know, wheel. But look at the amount of clearance we had to cut, and we still rub. Guys, I want to say that again. We still rub at about 80% turn. There's 100% you can full turn the steering wheel. Gauging off of a percentage of 1 to 100, we still rub, being honest, at like 80%. So you can do like a 5 or 10 point turn versus your normal one. 80% turn, and we rub on both sides. It's been cut here, modified, cut on the other side, modified to compensate for the big wheel and tire setup. There was wheel spaces on it at one point. They're off now. These are just a big setup. But guys, like I said, when you're building a truck, this is a prime example of why to buy the right wheel and tire combo along with your lift, right height in your lift kit combo. Because if you don't, if you're like, oh, I like the look of the big wheels and tires, but I don't have the budget, or I don't want to, you know, lift it that high, I like the lower look, it's a catch-22, because what you're gonna do, it's either or. You're lifting your truck high to compensate for how wide and how tall your tire is right there. So basically how tall the tire is going to determine, and the offset of the actual wheel, it all equates to how much clearance you're going to have right there. So this truck probably would have done a lot better with like a 6-inch or bigger lift kit on there. So it's a really nice truck though, it really is. It runs and drives great. 80 miles an hour, steers straight as an arrow on the highway. No problems whatsoever. All the maintenance has been done. I checked it out myself top to bottom like I always do. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. I really do. And I'm going to show you the inside of the driver's side. Turn signals incorporated into the mirrors, which I always love. I always tell you guys that. Where are my keys? You gotta be kidding me. Here it is right here. So check it out. Check it out. Ready? Nope, maybe it's not working today. Who cares? Totally bloopered that one. Let me show you guys the miles right here. There's the dash. 164,000 miles. Oh, there do work. Look, you get the turn signal on. Duh! Power folding mirrors and everything too on this old truck, which is really cool. You hit the button down and it folds the mirrors in. There's your amplifier, so you plug through the port and the firewall, but who cares? The seats are in great shape, no rips. Yeah, if you guys have any questions about this truck, this is Mark signing out with it. So, once again, stay lifted, subscribe, holler at me. It's about to rain out here in a minute, so I'm going to end this video. This is Mark signing out. YouTube.com/what's up at Mark. I'm going to say that again, sorry. Haven't ate today, haven't had any sleep last night. YouTube.com/what's up it's Mark. No apostrophes, commas, nothing, just what's up it's Mark, all spelled out. Subscribe, share with your friends. Hope you guys enjoy these videos, and I'll at you later. Peace! Guys, another thing too, I only put 93 octane in all my vehicles. All of them, I'm not joking. Look, see the light lit up? 93, 07, watch. All my vehicles, why? Because it runs better, burns cleaner, and you buy cheap shit, you get cheap results. So, like I said, here it is. Proof is in the pudding, right here. I'm not gonna stop either. I'm gonna fill it up 20 bucks. 20 bucks just to get me around, get it going, you know? Now if I filled up every vehicle, 50 bucks, 60 bucks, 70, 80 dollars for diesel, 60 bucks, 70 bucks, or 50, 60 for gas, 70, 80, somewhat money for diesel. Each vehicle, I'd probably be broken out of business. But, there you go, you have a proof right there. Boom, see? Still climbing, 93 octane. Put 93 in your vehicles, guys. Cost you what? 10, 20 cents more? Who cares? Fill it up with 93 octane. Better for the vehicle. Saves you money in the long run. You guys will probably comment below like, oh no, it doesn't save you a damn penny. It doesn't do a damn thing. Obviously it does.